I mean, you're going to say, well, you're all bearish. How can you trade Apple? I say trade Apple. Why? Because if you look at where it traded down to on June 3rd, traded down to about 175, which is a 50% correction of the recent low on December 24th and the recent high that we've seen. It did it on big volume, and I think you're in a traded camp. So although I am definitely bearish on the broader market, I think Apple stands on itself. So I say trade it, Melissa Lee.
So Nike, again, I traded. This is a case where people thought that China was going to be an issue for these guys. If anything, they've been running very counter to that. They've been exploding. They've been showing innovation again. This is a stock that people have worried about the multiple at these levels. That's where you're at. I don't think in this environment you want to get away from something that's been very defensive.
So I am a fader of oil prices, so that means I'm a fader of Chevron at these levels. The XLE has done nothing for 5 years, and Chevron is one of the top two holdings of the XLE. Fade it. I'm staying consistent that way.
Well, not surprisingly here, I am going to fade Citigroup and all the banks. Those things traded horribly today. Even though we had an up 300, Citigroup closed on its lows. The yield curve flattened slightly, but we had a pretty big steepening. I think the rally's over here in these, so you fade them, which is really to trade them.